What's the first thing you do when your alarm goes off in the morning? You reach over and turn it off, right? But what do you do next? If you're like most people, you start scrolling through your messages, updates, and favorite apps. You've been awake for 35 seconds and you're already checking your phone. Now imagine if you'd wake up to a notification sound on your phone instead of the alarm clock, and in the notification, you can see a text that says, "Congratulations, you just earned $100. Wouldn't that be the best way to wake up? Would you like to know how you could wake up the same way receiving money text messages to your phone every day or even every hour? Then listen up. In this video, I will be showing you 4 new apps that will pay you automatically without actually doing anything. Your only job is to download those apps and log in every day and claim your money. And the best part is that these apps are absolutely free. This means you don't need to invest any of your money, and you can get started right away, as it doesn't matter which country you're from, anyone from anywhere can make money with them. Because these apps are accessible all around the world, and by the way, the more you spend your time on these apps, the more money you will make. Make sure not to skip any parts and watch this video until the end. That way you will have all the information you need to get started with these free apps. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. The first step I want to show you in this video is called InstaGC. Go to your browser and fill in instagc.com. This app is available for both iOS and Android users. This means you can download it either from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. I would now like to show you their Facebook page where they actually share publicly the proof of earnings. This is their page, and when clicking on the photos you can see how much people have been earning with this app. Or just click on this album here. People claim their money through PayPal, Bitcoin, and bank transfer, but they can also redeem it through gift cards as Amazon, Target, Walmart, GameStop, and so on. Let's go back to their website. As you can see here, you can earn points for doing things you already do online. This means you can complete simple surveys, watch the videos you like, shop online, and search things online. But watching videos is actually one of my favorites because it is the easiest thing to do. And by the way, if you use several devices and watch videos on all of them, then you can make even more money, and to double or even triple your earnings, you can do the surveys on the same time when the videos are on. And after that, you can also do some shopping or search things on web, maybe using Google. To start earning money with this app, all you need to do is just join their website. You can do this through your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account, or you can also just sign in by filling in your username, creating your password, and adding your email address. After you have signed up, they will give you 10 free points for doing that. That's pretty amazing. Let me now show you the second app. It is called AppKarma. To go to their website, just fill in appkarma.io in your browser. This is also free and available for both iOS and Android users. And when you install it, you will earn your first 300 points. By the way, every 100 points is equal to $1. This means by just downloading it to your device, you will earn your first $3 for free. When scrolling down a bit, you can see that they are also offering referral rewards. If you share an invite link or referral code, then you will earn 30% of what your referrals earn. You can simply post your link to your social media account as to your Facebook and Instagram, or you can share it on your website, maybe your own blog if you have it. And the next on here, Karma Plays, you can simply earn bonus points just by playing games every day. You simply collect points and turn them into money. It's as easy as that. And when you have earned a certain amount of points, then this means you have made an achievement, and they will give you a patch for that. Every time you have received a new patch, then you will also receive extra 12.5% of the bonus. And this only means the more badges you manage to get, the more money you will eventually earn. I would now like to introduce you the third app, that is called KASHKICK. You just need to go to KASHKICK.com. On this website, they transfer money straight to your account. As they're not using a point system as the previous apps do, you can receive their earnings to your bank account, or you can claim the money through your PayPal account. You can make money on this website by answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and surfing the web. These are very simple things to do, don't you think? And by the way, this app will actually pay you even more money than the other two ones I just showed you. But on this app, I would recommend watching the videos, as by doing that you will make the most money. To start earning money with this app, first you need to sign up for a free account in here. Just fill in your email address and create the password, and then click on the Get Started Now. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. After creating your account, you can start earning money with this Google app. The last and fourth step I want to show you is called SUPERPAY. Just go to your browser and fill in superpay.me. On this website, you can make money with free surveys. They are really fast, as they will pay you within the first 24 hours. And they have a low cash short result. You have the opportunity to work from home. They also give out promo codes and are having cash out contests. And when you join them, you will immediately receive 20 cents for sign-up bonus. Here you can see that they have currently paid out over $4 million to their members. This is just amazing. And here are the 3 easy steps you need to do to get started. Step number 1 is that you just need to join them, and this is absolutely free. It will only take a few minutes of your time. Once you have joined, you will receive 20 cents to your account. Step number 2 is to take part in surveys and offers. They have hundreds of new surveys available every day, and you can also earn by watching videos and completing paid offers. And finally, step number 3 is to just get paid. They say that over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours through PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill. Or if you want, you can exchange your points for Tango gift cards that you can use at Amazon, Starbucks, and so on. And when you scroll up by clicking on the payment proof, you can see how much each member has earned today. Here's the username and how much money they have earned. They are mostly cashing out using the PayPal account. As you can see, you can now join them by just clicking on the Join Free Today button. After that, you will be taken to this next page, where you need to fill in your personal information to sign up for a free account. Just fill in your first and last name, email address, create the username and the password, and fill in your remaining address here. Under the payments, you can choose between 4 options here. Just fill in your payment details, then select box here and these 2 ones here too, and confirm that you're not the robot. And finally, click on the Create Account button here. And you're all done. You have successfully created your account. So these are now the 4 apps that you can now download free to your device and start turning passive income. Thank you for watching, and that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.